Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can save the your project of the VN editor video. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN editor. If you want to edit, then you have to make changes in this editing and you have to do the editing. And after that, we need to go to this icon. As you can see, this is the save icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, all the projects will be open like this. So if you want to log in, then you have to click on the login option and your account will be logged in. So as you can see, this is the project on we are working. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, after clicking on these three dots here, you will be able to see some other options like the share VN project file. If you want to share the project file, you can also do that, but this is for the pro ones. If you are using the pro one, you have to click on this. And the rename option, if you want to rename the project, you can also do that. Or if you want to create a duplicate of your project, you can also do that. And if you want to move to the project trash, if you want to delete the project, you can also do that. And here's the permanently delete option. If you click on this, the project will be permanently deleted. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can delete your project permanently and how you can save your video and other options as well. So I hope you guys understand this. So see you guys in the next video.